Hey all, I'm Gareth here from Campground Kitchen. So when we're not in quarantine, we live our life on the road. We travel around New Zealand in our tiny wee van, hence Campground Kitchen. So today we're bringing you one of our simplest recipes, one that we use all the time when we're on the road. Quite often, we'll be off exploring all day, we'll turn up late to where we're gonna sleep. And so this recipe has been born out of necessity. Just a few tins, one fresh capsicum, and the right blend of spices and herbs gives us a beautiful, easy, simple chili that you can have with rice, nachos, and you can even thicken it and have it with tacos. Let's check out this super simple, easy and delicious recipe. So here we have it, folks, a super cheap, super easy, super simple chili recipe. So check this out, give it a try, see what you think. I absolutely love it, hence why we keep on coming back to it. Use my corn chips as my cutlery for tonight, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you at Vegan FTA for helping us get these videos out there, and I hope you enjoy all the recipes we put out. We'll see you next time. Oh, it's so good.